This would be a level 2 question. A set P is formed from the set of first n natural numbers by deleting all the perfect squares and all the perfect cubes. If the numbers are arranged in an ascending order, then what is the 476th number of the set P? Looking at the options, we can see that they're all ranging around the 500 mark. So what we should do is first find the number of perfect squares and perfect cubes in the first 500 natural numbers. Now, if you're talking about the first 500 natural numbers, perfect squared would be from 1 squared to 22 squared, because 22 squared is 484 and 23 squared is 529. So 22 perfect squares. When we talk about cubes, it will be from 1 cube to 7 cube, because 7 cube is 343, whereas 8 cube is 512. Now, how many of these numbers, that is the squares that I have taken, are both perfect cubes as well as perfect square? Now I know that 1 cube and 1 square are the same, so 1 would be one of those. Then if I'm looking at 4 cube, that is 64, that is same as 8 square, so that's another one. And since we have to check only till 7 cube, there will be no other. Thus there are two numbers, that is 1 cube or 1 squared and 4 cube or 8 squared, which are both cubes as well as squared, so those have to be subtracted. So that means 27 such terms. Thus, in the first 500 natural numbers, 27 numbers are either perfect squares or perfect cubes or both. So 473rd term of the set P would be the number 500. So 476th term would be 500 plus 3, which is 503. So the 476th term is the number 503. Option D is correct.